this is gonna be real quick, man. I'm DeMarco. Salute to everybody that's new to the channel, man. Shout out to the private stock market game, man. Hey, y'all holding it down over there, but I want y'all to go back on the last video and check that out and tell me, was I right or was I right? So I called this out on the technical analysis on that last video. I dropped it before the SafeMoon AMA, and I told y'all, I said the chart is looking right now, it was looking a little bullish, but I said y'all gotta remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. I told y'all my first stop, I believe we will be coming back down to retest these levels. Remember, I showed all y'all gotta do is go back to the video. I showed y'all these levels here. I said we got support here, here, here. I said somewhere here, but I said we could be coming back down to this area. So just go check that out. You know what I'm saying? I just want to let y'all know y'all in the right spot, man. Make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. So a couple updates. First off, though, we got our book of the day again. It's called The Money Hackers: How a Group of Misfits Took on Wall Street and Changed Finance Forever by Daniel P. Simon. Hey, this book was fire. I'm telling y'all, it's a lot about the definance industry. It talks about, just a lot of the key players, a lot of the revolutionary technology that came, about to get us to where we at now. So check that out, man, for real. It's on Amazon. And by the way, my book is on Amazon right now. You can find it in the description section of this video. So check that out if y'all want to support it. Okay, so the CEO, John Crony, honestly, he didn't really tell us nothing we didn't know. You know what I'm saying? I made my prediction of, I thought he was gonna, he did talk about that bank. I did mention that. I said they were talking about creating their own bank. A couple other people were similarly saying it, but they were saying it in a way of just the exchange and the crypto cards. I had a feeling they were going for a bank. So if y'all don't know, they're working with the country of Gambia, which has a population of about 2.3 million people. And what they're gonna do is try to have those people adopt SafeMoon as their standard currency. So they talking about rolling it out, to everybody right now. He's actually working with the ambassador. What is it? The ambassador at large. The position is called in Gambia. So already, it's a lot of good signs, because one thing Gambia has good, aside from all the other things, is the fact that NASA already has a partnership with the country of Gambia, because it's an emergency landing site. So already we got some space, affiliation right there. That's a good sign. Remember I said think like a marketer. You want to connect dots and be able to forecast and see where the market is heading and place yourself along that journey, as a guide to be able to eat. I'm telling you, what I'm saying? The people who made the most money during the gold rush were not the people going to get the gold. It was the people selling the shovels, the shifters, the buckets. Those were the people that made the most money. So look where the market is going, look where all the money is moving, and then that's where you position yourself. So here, remember, I was trying to tell y'all, I told y'all in that last video about supply and demand zones. So I told y'all about trying to understand where smart money stepped in. If you could look on these charts and find out where smart money stepped in, then you got a good chance of, what I'm saying, having it a lot easier for you. So look, let's take a look here, right? So we look at this candle. This is stuff I only teach in my course, really. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go on and drop these gems on y'all. But if you see this candle here, so we had a little slight impulse, a little push up, then a down. But at the bottom of this downtrend, we got this candle would be considered a hammer. It's hammering at a bottom price. A hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend means the price has found a bottom. But aside from that, though, we can see that that's confirmed because smart money stepped in right here. This is called a demand zone. A demand zone is where smart money, basically an institution, or these banks, hedge funds, that's where they step in and buy. So they trigger this candle, boom. Then everybody else follows them here or on the way up. Then FOMO hits, and then a mass sell-off. But look what happens. Look where the buyers step back in again. Look where smart money comes back in. Same spot, we got the smart money in right here. So from the bottom of this candle to the top of this candle, that's a demand zone. So we can say, if we see the price come back to this demand zone, if it enters back in this demand zone where it started at, sometimes it will only dip in there and you might have to just jump on it. If you could watch it quick enough, put it on the 1 minute chart, or the 5 minute chart. But what we seeing is this smart money right here. So what we gonna do? We gonna sit back once we sink this downtrend. So we synced it coming. It went up. Boom, 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 boom. We seen it hit a little bottom. It pushed up again. We seen right here it hit the bottom again. So okay, we can say this right here is looking like smart money in these areas. So what we would do is create this as a demand zone. Boom. Normally you'll put a box right here so you could stretch it out all the way across. But I could just do this by eye now, so I can see that the demand zone is all the way across here. You notice the price never, after it gets right here, it's kind of supported by that demand zone from all the way back here. So once the price falls back in this area, we know that's a demand zone. That's where smart money got in. So we know smart money ain't gonna let it fall too far below this again, because that's where they already stepped in to buy it. So what we can do is recognize this, and then on the downtrend we catch it again, because we watching it. We know this is the range right here. Like, okay, if it come back in this range, we buying. It dipped under with this sell candle. Now look exactly what happened once it dipped in that range again. Smart money stepped back in, bought it all the way up. People that didn't know got dumped on, and then it kind of continued right off this trend right here, kept going, and then they kind of got it right supported above the demand zone right there with this middle part right here, supported right above the demand zone. Now I'll break this down more in other videos. I'm just trying to give y'all a quick rundown. Now you see right here again, this little dip right here is right above that demand zone. The demand zone means that if it falls in that price, people are gonna eat it up. So what happened was, but this was buy the rumor, sell the news. So this is what I explained to y'all in the last video. They pushed it up, with a little impulse, a little confidence in the market from all the people who didn't know this. That's why I said, make sure you got a channel who you can follow that knows technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and they also understand marketing, because it's a lot that goes into this that can help you become a better trader or a better investor when you first starting off. You don't want to learn some of the wrong things, or you would like to learn some of the things that make it a shortcut for you in the beginning. So back to this. So we got the demand zones right in this area. So you see again, look, remember all this area, demand zone, demand zone. So once it dropped back in this area again off this red candle right here, boom, what happened? As soon as it hit that demand zone again, it went a little lower than there, but they bought it right up. But remember, I told y'all I expected there to be a sell-off. My last video, look at the title. I told y'all, buy the rumor, sell the news. You always want to remember that. Unless it's something revolutionary, most likely after some type of hype or news comes out, you're going to see the price drop until it finds a bottom, it finds a support, and then, it'll start slowly rebuilding from there. But I got quick announcements. So first off, salute again to everybody. The channel has quadrupled in the last 4 days. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. For y'all that don't know, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of that. Make sure you turn on your notifications. If you got a cryptocurrency you want me to get to, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'll check it out, man. Also, I got stocks and crypto for free for y'all in the description section. Just check that out. 3 free stocks with Robinhood, 2 valued up to $1,850 with Webull, $25 in free, just $25 free from Crypto.com, $10 in free Bitcoin from Coinbase. Also, Coinbase has 60 to like 70 different $70 in other different cryptos that you can buy. You can watch a 1-minute video, get the crypto, sell it for something else, hold it, whatever you want to do with it. It's up to you. Remember, this is not financial advice. Also, my book is in the description section. Do not forget about that. And we got interviews coming. So, hey, if you are a person who has, made a nice amount of money off one of these plays in crypto and you want to share your story, reach out to me. Let me know. I got one person already that has made $20,000 his first week in crypto. I'm going to be sharing his story. Shout out to, what's my guy name? Shout out to Brandon Cleveland. Y'all going to be seeing an interview coming from him. But yeah, if you got a story you want to share, reach out to me, man. That's it. Appreciate y'all. We out.